Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in to DPros, my unboxing channel. Today we have Rocktol. We're going to be opening this Rocktol, which is a rock solid tool, if you didn't know. And for the unboxing, we have our handy dandy TPT. Let's go ahead and see what we get. What do we have? Oh my goodness. That's not a multi-tool, is it? And lo and behold, we have this Rocktol ST02. Well, now why do I need this? Because that's a nice blade. Just like it would be on the Leatherman, but over here. Wow, those are big scissors. Can you take a look at that? They cut. Okay, what else do we have? We have the typical bunch of multi-tools that no one ever uses. And then the main reason we got this, the star of the show. Handy dandy. If it focuses. Screwdriver. And that can come out, and wouldn't you know, it ratchets now. And that will work, but why not use Leatherman bits? Rocktol.